Hello, Namaskaram. So this is another live. So I've realized like our lives are more like hanging out sessions. So you just okay, this happened, that happened, this is happening, that is happening. Yeah, even these things are so rare in this world. Like तुम्हारी जिंदगी में ये भी नहीं है यार आज के टाइम में लोगों के. So we will do that only. We will just hang out and discuss some things, connect some things, and yeah, it's just this was how I started it also actually. And I just started live. How was it like where? That part, Kedar Kantha, there. So that was the purpose. Like you kind of want to create a space which is open to discussion and connection, and which should be the case. Which should be the every space, but they need to create a separate one somehow. Okay. I have some 2-3 things that we have to address, and I'm trying to find words which are like easier because kind of like I understood like where does I want to address like Indian audience, and they are not in that state where they understand like all of these high level science words or so first and tell you some basically I'm putting some manifestations here. So one thing we need to do for sure as a civilization is to kind of connect the history together. Continuity, like we right now people don't have continuity. So you're like, okay, Cholas were there, then these guys were there, like then this. It's like how is this transitioning? Like what was the technology in that time? How it changed? Because everything was changing, with times. What kind of currency system were they using? What kind of taxation system were they using? How it evolved over the time? And there is no continuity. You feel like things are happening out of somehow, and that's how the white people use it very well, because then they use that disconnection to say that they did it. That they somehow started the financial system or any other system in the world, which were going on with like ages, no, way back with them. So for that continuity, one very easy thing you can do is create some like TV series like Game of Thrones, no? Like 10 seasons, like full story here and there. And start from like, yeah, so this was the state of the Bharat in that time. This was the one guy, this was the other guy, that he died. The entire story you narrate and you see how the changes in the civilizations are happening, how so you understand how we have reached at the point that we have reached now. Otherwise, it won't make sense. You're like, oh, so Ram came here, but now it's a casino where people play like and do like the drink alcohol. So how is this both existing at the same time? So you have to see like how it has changed over the time. Basically, in space and time, you have to see what whole game has been played in this space and time over the time. So that is very important, like, to do something like that. Make like very nice TV series, connect everything, show all of these things. No, all the politics that happened, the Jinnah guy, like how he did all of it, and then how he was successful in creating Pakistan. How the Nehru used to, like, Nehru and Gandhi Rexes. Because these things are not new, no. These human beings have been doing these things for ages. It's the same stuff which like Shakuni and like all of these guys plotting and scheming and the same thing. Now the clothes are different. Now they are not wearing dhoti, they are wearing something else. But when you look at it, the positions are same, no. So that will also relieve people of that, oh, somehow this is very bad world. Yeah, this is bad world, but it's not like the bad was not there. Bad was there all the times. That is very important, creating content around that and creating engaging, like, nice content, so that even for entertainment people watch. At least unconsciously it will go in their minds, no. That if not conscious, but unconsciously, right? That's how the other people are doing it. The other dark side, they are making it so interesting, but somehow they are putting tamasic thoughts and tamasic material in your mind while making it interesting. That's how advertisement work. So you make it very nice. You're like, yeah, nice jingle in the background, nice visuals, and somehow you put the desire in the mind of the viewer. You're like, oh, you need to buy this. You're like, yes, I need to buy this. Then you go and buy it. Basically, using your weakness for entertainment or pleasure, they incepted their own thought in your mind. Also, basically, people need to. I don't know why Indian have not done it. I mean, they have done it to a certain extent, like Hotstar and something like that. But that is also not there. Like some place which is more. I mean, we need to present the historical content in a more entertaining way. I mean, these are grand stories. I mean, commented on this. That also, no, Amar Chitrakatha is like that is very nice, no, for children, like to read these stories in a comic way, because finally you are communicating or the consciousness only, like how ISKCON people say, no, Krishna consciousness. So that's fine. No, the medium can be anything. It can be like a comic book. The only thing you need to ensure is like to maintain the essence is same, so it doesn't lose its essence when you convert from one form to another. Whether it is a written book or word, or whether it is like a more visual imagination of that word into a film, whether it is a more audio imagination of it in terms of the songs. Like how Muslim people were able to successful, no? Like their mainstream religious song we sing as normal songs. Like people don't realize that most of those people they were like, oh, there is no God, but why are you singing Kul Faya Kul and all of these things? So it's basically they have made it so like alluring by using the music that they were able to put those thoughts also. So why not with the our stuff like the Vedic stuff? Till now it was reduced to only Sattva basically. People thought like whenever you have to take the name of the god, you have to be in Sattva. So you don't need to be in Rajas or you don't need to be in entertainment mode. But we have to combine it. But people are in the entertainment mode only. They are not coming to Sattva just like that. Initially they need some beat and like dum 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 da do the some kind of that. Then only they will come to like just Hare Rama Hare Krishna. Like the why something feels more alluring for most of the people, it is just following crowd. They really have low personal taste. It's like you can make them like anything. You just need to show that this is liked by most people, so they will like it. 90% of the population is like that. So you just need to make these things so alluring that the, the large segment of people like it. So then they'll be like, oh, this is nice. It is cool to do this. You have to understand. You have to make it like it's cool to do this. It's cool to just take a mala and go and sing Hare Rama Hare Krishna. It's cool. So you have to. Just like they think right now, no? It's cool to say all of the other songs. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Why do they do it? They don't even understand what is the meaning of it. Most of the Indians, when they sing English songs, they don't know what they are singing. Or whatever that Spanish song, La Bebita, Tapashu Patata. They just sing, dance, whatever, without knowing anything about it. Because it's cool. So they just follow what is cool. So you have to make it cool. In scientific way, you can understand it is like some energy frequency, which is very alluring, which is like has a nice track to it. It's like there's some nice way they have put like melody around it. Every language is that only, every language song is that only, some audio form of. But they put it the sounds in a very interesting, entertaining way. That's only they have cracked. So now when a lot of people start hearing it, so unconsciously the waves gets powerful. So even though you have not heard it directly, because it's a sound wave and you are hearing it means what? You are playing it on a speaker or somewhere. So you are producing those vibrations in the environment, in the universe, right? So now say other person is also producing the same frequencies. Another person is also. So a lot of people are hearing the same thing. So the energy wise also you will get attracted. That's why most of the people, like 90% time, they just go with the flow. So this song is getting more popular. So let's just listen to this song. And then they also feel like they like it. Because it's more of a energy wise sync with the universe. Like right now I'm seeing a lot of content on Instagram which is very interesting, like a lot of content in the conversation form, a lot of content in, like, people are reproducing also like what it to be like Krishna, and like how Krishna will be like in their life. All of these is you are getting more and more visualization of what how your experience, which is good because now it is coming in physical dimension also. So what we need to do more and more creative ways, like, see, our final target is what? All of this, like resetting up and everything, settling everything back to same good place, this will going to take time. So this generation, which is millennials, they have to kind of put their lives in a tapasya mode or tap mode. The target audience is something which is between 0 to 15. Like those kids, when they grow up, they should grow up in a frequency and sanskar that they will be like gods only. So we need to create that base. How would you create that base? So that first of all, all our knowledge, we have to put it in a simple methods, so that they create a repository of it, but in a very very different methods. That's how people know. So someone like writes poetry, like someone writes poetry and communicate the gyan, like Rumi, like Kabir, or someone write a book like Shankaracharya. You're like, okay, I will, Patanjali, like Yoga Sutras. So these are the truth, but he writes in a sutras manner. So different form, if they are there, that will be good because it will help in addressing diverse people. Because someone might associate with one kind of medium, someone might understand it different way, someone might understand it different way. So if we create that base right now, I mean, it will take time and provide a good kind of like physical infrastructure support system, which is conducive, good temples where energy is very powerful, so people can use it, teaching them how to use it also. So all of that will need to be done. But again, as I'm saying, for us, basically, the millennials, the life will be more like trying to be the leader and trying to be the ones who will change it, because you see it. Now, we are born in basically transition phase, no? So we have seen the dark side also. We have seen the light side also. The children who will born now, they will not see the dark side so much. And they should not actually. So this is why Parivartan also happens, no? People take things for granted. So when it is Satyuga, people will take it like, there is no darkness, we don't need to look for it. And then the darkness keeps growing. And then finally it becomes like Kali Yuga, that people are like, oh, we cannot be conscious now. But that is, and that will keep happening. It's like rotating. So first I told like we need to produce all our like Indian history in nice, like put it in nice mangas, nice anime, put it in nice TV series like live action. Now with AI you can actually put it any medium. No, it's so easy. You just need to tell the medium. You're like, okay, make a comic book, make it look like a live action, make it look like this, make it look like that. It knows everything. So you produce it in different stuff and narrate the historical story with connecting the dots. So like this is how we have evolved over the time. This is how the governance systems has evolved over the time. This is how the economic system has evolved over the time. These things were not discovered overnight, no. Like someone suddenly like, okay, currency, next day bank, and no. Slowly people realized one by one, okay, You're like, okay, so we can maybe create some intermediary thing which can signify the value. Now value can be of the space or time, because that is the fundamental currency that you have. The fundamental currency the consciousness has is space and time only. Either you can sell your time or you can sell your space. You cannot sell anything else. Now that gets manifested in different way. But invest, it's very clear also, no? You sell your hour, like $20 1 hour. I have yours. So basically slavery, but in a more open way. You're like, okay, I will be your slave for 1 hour. You give me $50. So connecting with history will make it interesting also, nice stories also. It will provide more practical knowledge and its perspective. So now people don't need to learn taxation system through kind of, reading some boring book. Now they can see, okay, so this story, you show them like, okay, this king, so this is how he applied taxes, so this is why the farmers revolted, because they didn't have money, and then this king came, and then he started to think like, okay, what can we do? He changed this thing. When you do it like that, then you understand, okay, so this is how it works.
आगे बैठ का फूंका है थोड़ा बड़ा हवा असल बड़ी चीनी मिलती पानी
So I will tell you, like so much stuff I've actually learned from anime. Like there are anime on like time travel. So you see those and then you're like, okay, so this is what a like timeline looks like. This is what a multiverse timeline would look like. And there are so many interesting stuff, no? Like there are anime on using human mind, which they are trying to do now. Basically, what human mind does and what a CPU does is the same thing. So there was a concept in which like you can use a organic CPU. What do you mean by organic CPU? Basically, you can create use a human mind and अरे यार निकलो यार. इसको पता है सब कुछ ना, जानबूझ के करता है. There is unconscious people. No, see live example. My God. We need to see this, no, how we have come to this level of consciousness. How Bharat has come to this level of consciousness. Somewhere we are used to produce great kings and all of that. Now we are producing these kind of people. And these people, they keep pushing the boundaries, They keep taunting you. It's like, hey sir, hi sir. अरे भाई तुमने रिस्पॉन्स नहीं दिया, इसका मतलब नो हो गया ना, मतलब डन. मतलब हर चीज़ को रिस्पॉन्ड करते रहेंगे तो पागल ही हो जाएंगे ना इंसान. फिर तो कोई भी आके तुमको कुछ भी हाई हेलो करता रहेगा. सोचो ना, if Modi start talking to everyone in the world, then how will he do anything? So back to main agenda. We need to see how you can improve this, not get trapped in the stupidity of it. We know that the world is stupid, no? So they have to first accept that right now you guys are at very like lowest level of consciousness. Then we can think like how you have reached here from that high consciousness of Satyug, how we have come to this yug. And then we can think of plan also. Okay, so how do we improve it from here? So this is the most important one. Content. Because content is finally what? What you say content is, see, word content means like the content of a jar, right? What is inside it. So when we say content, most of the time we will information content. But what is information? Information is again energy waves made sense. So right now I am communicating energy to you, or am I communicating content to you? That depends if you understand the language. If you don't understand the language, then you are just hearing some sound waves. You're like, oh, some sound waves like up and down, up and down. So you need to produce the right type of energy frequency by producing a lot of content around it. That's how the other side is doing it. They keep producing content which is of a specific kind. So your mind perspective keep being in that way. Because they made you think, that life is like this. How do you actually form your opinion about life? What is life? You see stuff, then you consume stuff. You're like, okay, so this is what it is like. This is how I should act in these situations. So most of the time people learn these days, they don't talk to each other, so neither do parents teach anything. So they learn from these only. Mobile phones, content, YouTube. Like my father didn't even teach me like how to shave and everything. So I have to go to YouTube. You're like, okay, how do you shave? So now we have explained it more from like a multiple perspective, like content, energetic perspective, psychological, civilizational, the importance of what it can do, how it will be useful in the future, everything. Okay, for now, I think this is it. We will do another reel, and I will see if we can put more explainer stuff also. These things take time. Like using AI is like, it requires money. AI can do it easily, but it requires money. Doing it manually, then you have to basically think like AI by yourself. So what is AI doing when I'm saying, okay, you make a visual film out of this script? So it's taking each word and then say, okay, what this word means, bird. Then it's going into its repository. Okay, what is a bird? Bird means these many pictures. Okay. So then it sees the relation, like how this word bird is used in the sentence. Then it sees, okay, are there any like pattern in that relation? Like the crow is black. So it will decipher what is black. Okay, these energy forms are black. So like this only, but you have to do it manually in your mind. Which people do unconsciously, they are doing the same thing when you are making videos and content. But it takes some time because it's like physically it is restrictive, no? So we'll that also. But I think this is a nice start. We should definitely do all of this. See, these are education things, no? These are not even spiritual things in a sense. Although it is a spiritual thing when you really look at it, because everything is spiritual. Knowing your origins, knowing who you are is spiritual. So knowing who you are also required knowing who you are in your genetic lineage and your historical story. Ah, and this will help in another way is understanding the concepts that we call education these days. The accounting systems, the governance systems, the civics, the geographies, all of this. Because over the time when you see it in a story form, then you realize, no, it's like right now we read it like properties only. Like, okay, tea leaves are like this, these leaves are like this, these leaves are like this, these leaves are like this. But when you see it in a story form, like who is the first guy who actually found out that tea can be boiled and it will help you stay awake? Then you understand. You're like, okay, oh, so from here, like this got added into the culture and civilization. So that start making more sense to you, the knowledge. Right now, it just fed as a knowledge directly. So in every whichever way, I mean, anyone who opposes this basically doesn't want people to be more conscious. That's it. Otherwise, this doesn't have any like negative side to it. Okay, I'll see you guys again. Namaskaram. Bye bye.